Hey, what is up? Good morning. What's up, Barry? Hey, Tony. How's everyone doing? How was your weekend? Hopefully it went well. Hopefully you're ready to do some damage today. Good to hear. Hey, what's up, Guillermo? Good to see you back. Pretty excited. We're going to do the drawing today. So it'll be fun to see who gets to win. Looking forward to that. Hey, good morning. Welcome. Curious to see what we're going to do in the market. I'm kind of watching this trend line, and just because we broke it doesn't mean we're gonna. It's not even like a really tight trend line. It's just something we're kind of keeping up, right? But yeah, just because we fell below it doesn't mean we're necessarily gonna just drop down. But I'm curious to see what happens because I thought we'd stay above this little zone up here. And we kind of fell into it. We came down to, where was it? 330? Something like that. So I'd like to see if we hold that. If we don't, then we'll see how far we're going to come down. See if we come on down to 235. But we might hold. We might hold. This would be a good spot for us to hold. So if we hold this, overall, the market's moving up, right? This little steep sell-off. This would be a great spot for us to turn around. So we'll see how that plays out. Looks like we've got a few minutes left to market open. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer to do the wheel spin. Hopefully we get just a few more people in here. And then we'll do that. And then, whoever wins, hopefully they can redeem it today and get going with that. And give us some updates. Hopefully something good. Hopefully something good comes about with that. That'd be great. Hey, what's up, Stone? Good morning. But what are you guys thinking? What are you seeing in the markets? Are you guys looking for longs? Are you thinking we see a drop? What are your thoughts on that? Looks like we're creating a little something here. That looks interesting. Short, going up. Yeah, I think there's a good chance this would be a great spot for us to go ahead and bounce out of. I really do think so, but we'll see what happens. So I'm willing to go either way. So if we break down, I could take a short right out, right through the break of this little trend line that we have this morning, or give it some room because down to the bottom of the zone is about 25 points from where we're at, or 20 points. So see if it drops below the zone and then maybe does from underneath. Or we could be buying this right here, 55. I probably have a stop in the upper 40s. So I'm curious to see what we get. All right, looks like oh, nothing yet. Looks like that's a little bit of a fake out. There we go. There's our push. A whole lot of nothing. I don't believe there's any news. Actually, there might be something coming out today. FOMC is Wednesday, so that could mean that we're going to have a little bit of a weird week. Let's see, today, I don't have anything for today. Tomorrow is building permits. Thursday, jobless claims. And Friday, some manufacturing data. So watch out for that. There's the push. See if we get a quick little pullback. Let's put down to 1 minute. Oh, nice job, Barry. Did they actually send out your payment yet? I've been seeing a lot of people posting about payments going through, which is great. It's good to hear about Apex. Looks like we popped down to 360. Jim, yeah, 410. That's a smart choice, but I'd watch out for that too. I saw we had some action at 412, so I was kind of watching that level myself. This yellow line here. So. Good eye, good eye. So I would have liked to buy in around the 55, but I think that's a missed opportunity. I'm just going to give it some time. It's Monday, so got plenty of time. Well, awesome, Barry. I hope that comes through really fast. Good morning. Thanks for joining. All right, here we go. So up into the next zone, seeing a little bit of selling. We hit, looks like 405. But holding pretty good. So let's see if we can close up in here. And then, yeah, we'll see what we do with this 410, 412 area. I'm curious to see what we get there too. All right, so it looks like we're getting close to our overnight highs. Right up here at it's about 428. So not much of a rejection here at the 412. Curious to see if we get a breakout over these highs. Maybe come back down for a retest. But if we do break out over 428, got to watch out for 443. And then after 443, it's like 64 or 61. I'd watch out for that. All right, I think I want to scale in and try to go in long. I'm going to scale in. I am trading micros today. Keep it light. Looks like I got in a little early with that first position. Oh, nice job, Barry. Well done. I definitely overlooked trying to get in down here. I was thinking the 12 and then around the 404. So I just added on just one more. If this doesn't hold, I'll just be getting out right out of the zone. We're not turning around. I'd like to see some continuation. And I'm about to get out. Okay, I played that one really wide. I was trading micros. Definitely wouldn't have given it that much room with minis. Definitely not. And there we are. Back into the zone. Definitely a mistake on my part. I thought we were going to be holding this area up here since this was the high. It was around 28. So that's why I got in around 25. I figured we'd get a bounce, which we didn't get. So let's see. See if we still hold this here. We could be turning around, or we'll get some continuation. So that would have been the short. Yep, big time. Big time. Well, I might try to get in short here and then just have a stop. Let's see, maybe over 400 or 98. Oh, great entry. Good luck. Good luck on that one. I hope we get it. Try to scale in myself. Nice job, Barry. Killing it, man. Killing it. Oh, great job, bud. You are killing it. Great job. Again. You going to be taking off now, or are you going to stick around for the drawing? Nice. I was going to do it in just a little bit. Probably as soon as I get out of this trade, which I let turn red. I'm about to close out now. Let's see, we have another couple minutes on this candle. I was thinking about locking in some profit, and I looked away for a second, and there it is. Man, it's terrible. This is terrible. So I've got about 20 seconds left here. All right, take that loss. All right, not a great start to the morning, but let's go ahead and switch over to the drawing. So let me get that going. 1 second. All right, hopefully everyone can see this okay. There we go. All right, let's do this. I think I did it wrong. Hold on. All right, that's not working out. 1 second. Jim, yeah, to make it easy, which you can join right now, there should be a link in the description. Just go ahead and join. And yeah, this wheel spin is supposed to just be some kind of a easy way, fair way to go ahead and just grab a name, and it's pulling from Discord. So I'm going to be just a second. So if you want to go ahead and just join real quick, shouldn't take you long. Just click on the link. And it's free to join. Oh, you got it. Yes. Here we go. All right, let's try this again. There we go. Looks like it is thinking. Oh, and the winner is Barry. Barry, congratulations, my friend. You stuck around. So, what are you going to do with this 300K? You going to just take it to a normal spot and cash out a couple grand? Or are you going to make this one your 50K account, you know? Maybe generate 50K in profit in here? Nice. Awesome, man. Well done. All right, Barry, since you are online, we're good here. I'm going to go ahead and just DM you the code that you need, and then you can just go into Apex Trader Funding and get your 300K account. So congratulations, Barry. And guys, I hope I can do this again soon. You know, we're still only, I think, like just under 100 away from 500. So once we hit that 500 mark, then we'll do another drawing. So I'm going to be talking with Apex to see what we can get going for you. But again, congratulations. Super happy for you, and I'm excited to see what you can do with this 300K account. So, all right. So just give me a few and I'll get that over to you. Take care, Jim. Thanks for showing up. All right, everyone. I'll be back in just a couple minutes. So I'm going to change the screen, but I'll be right back. All right. So still looking for a trade. Looks like we're holding up in this area here, which is good. If I want to be long, and I'm thinking long. Um, so I'm just looking for an entry. I would prefer to get in around the 400, 403. I like that. Let's see if we get some continuation over this 440. Really regretting not just getting in out the gates. I just thought it'd be more risky, but my trades didn't go so well anyhow. This would have been a decent entry at the 55. Okay, it looks like we just hit that 7 o'clock mark. Okay, I think I'm going to try to start scaling in again, and my stop is going to be under 90. So I'm thinking around 400, 403 I like. I prefer that we just close up here and then get a pullback down to 403, but we'll see. Yeah, we really need to break over this area here. Hopefully we can get up here and close over 417. At least 415. But not loving this. Not loving hanging out under this zone. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Alright, I'm going to try one more short. I'm going to keep it really small. Give it a little bit of room. I'm going to try to get in... Never mind. I was going to get in around 400. I was going to have a stop at right here, 409. But never mind. Alright, I'm just going to give this some more time. Let this play out. Maybe paint a better picture. Because honestly, it could go either way. We had this big sell-off here, pushed up, had a fail. Big sell-off again, but we held this zone here. Bounce out of the zone, right up into here, and then this was a fail, sold off. But we are fighting to get back into this zone and recover this area here. So if we can just stay in here, then great, I'll be long. But at this point, I think I'd rather just see it confirm that it wants to get up here. And then if we get a pull back down into the top here around 43, then I'll just take it long. I'm not going to play with this here. Well, I don't think you're wrong for that, Jim. You know, the way it was looking, you know, we had failed right in here, and it looked like we were going to continue selling off. You know, we were kind of rounding out. and that we were closing down here beneath the zone. So I was thinking we were going to get another push up and a rejection at the bottom, and I was seeing some continuation down, but originally, a few candles ago, I saw this, we wicked down to 70, and that was showing some strength, that we were going to try to keep the price up, especially after the run up we had right out of the zone here. So I was thinking bullish, but definitely second guessing myself because of this here, the way it's holding here, I guess I would try a long at the base. But I'm going to keep it really small if I do that. So I'll put an order here, and I'll give it a wide stop because it's, we're all over the place. So try to get at 403, maybe stop at 85, right under this wick. That, or I wait until we close above the zone and then look for a pullback into the 43 area, which we might get that instead. Well, I have to step away for a minute. I'm going to put in an order just in case this thing just drops while I'm away. Just in case it does, I'm going to get in there. And I'll give it a really wide stop. Alright, I'll be back in just a few moments. All right, so it doesn't look like I missed much, huh? Looks like we're holding in the zone, which is cool. A little pullback right into the 10. Well, closing in the 30s, I'm going to be looking at maybe around 27 entry, something like that. If we close in the 30s. If not, then I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Really hoping this holds, and want to see some continuation. Not sure what we're doing here, but either way, this will be my last trade. Already taken a few. Definitely not a great start to the week. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty bearish myself. I'm trying to play this long, but it looks like a fail. You know, we got some wicks up here. I'm just waiting for this thing to turn around. But the fact that we held this, though, it gave me some hope. Some hope for some longs. Yeah, it's really messy in this area. This whole pocket from 390 up to 440. It's pretty messy. All right, I got stopped out. So yeah, I'm going to stop there. Let's see what we get. I'm really thinking more of a short. There's definitely a case for either way, for sure, you know. Honestly, holding above the zone. Let's see, go to the 4 hour. You know, looking at the overall picture, all the interaction we've had in this area here, finding support, resistance, you know, and then coming down into it, and then finding some more support and doing a bounce, you know, it makes me think bullish from that. But the way it looks right now, though, like we just can't do anything with this. It seems like a fail. So I think there's a chance we're going to come right back down in here. And if we do, if we break under that 330, I mean, maybe that's the play, you know. We're fighting to get back into the zone here. We're struggling. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, absolutely, Barry. Congrats, man. Congrats. Yeah, let me know once you get it set up. Make sure everything goes okay for you. Hopefully, there's no problems. But just let me know. Just confirm that it worked out for you. Love to hear about it. You know. But again, yeah, congrats to you. Jim, yeah, absolutely. I've traded options, and I still trade options. I don't trade them as often because normally I'm just focused on futures, but I do try to set up alerts, and I wait for some trades with options. And once my alerts go off, then I'll take a trade. But usually it's a swing trade when it comes to options. Um, Unless I catch a really big move, then I'll just close it intraday. But yeah, I traded options for a while, and I was actually doing pretty well with options. And then I got the taste of futures, and then I just wanted to like learn so much more about futures, and it was a battle getting into futures and trying to juggle my options plays and futures because of the way I used to trade options. Um, and so I pushed away options a little bit and just focused on futures. But now I've gotten back into options, and I just do that on the side. Um, and I just usually take just slower trades. I just try to play the zones. I take it you trade options as well, or are you looking to get into options? Oh, I understand. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, what I like about options, especially compared to futures, is it's a lot more forgiving. You know, you can have your entry off a little bit, but you just let it ride and do its thing. And as long as you have the direction right, then it just starts spooling up, and um, you can make a decent amount with that. Just letting it run in the background, you know. So there's the sell. Oh, nice job. Yeah, I'm curious to see if we're going to see some continuation or if we're going to hold above 350. If we dip down into the zone under 350, I might consider going shorter on there, or I can just wait until the break of 330. But yeah, I don't know, because this area here, there's a lot of support, and so ideally, I think it makes sense for us to stay above this and go long. I don't know. I'm not finding my groove today. I'm not in my groove. I just can't find a groove. Hey, break even's good. It's almost like being green, so I say it's a win, bud. I say support and resistance, but technically it's supply and demand. But I don't know. I guess I think some people are really finicky about that. I think it's very similar, but I mean, I know it's not exactly the same. Um, but right, once we dip down into here, we're looking for a lot of supply, right? Oh, there's a lot of demand. Excuse me. So it's still, it's an area where you're going to find more buyers. So as we dip down here, we're looking for buyers. So I'd like for it to fail and show that we don't have as many buyers. Um, I just want something clear. That's all. But yeah, we're trying to dip down. See if we get down into 55. Curious to see what happens there. On the 30 minutes, let's take a look. So you're just referring to this pocket in here. It looks like between 403 to 414. Oh yeah, you're right. Drop base drop or drop base rally. It starts to consolidate basically, and the buyers and sellers struggle it out and or duke it out, and then we pick a direction. You know. Well, that's good. Looks like we've got a low of 66. Thought we would at least hit 60. Right in here, 62. All right, that's what I'm playing there. This is why I took that short, and I'm going to give it just over this little area here. Little speed bump. So we stay below that and get some continuation. Oh, sorry, Jim. Just saw your question. No, so I have a personal account, but I do also trade with prop firms, and then options is also a personal account. Yeah, it's pretty amazing once they brought them out. They've been around for a little bit, but they're a lot better now than what they were before. And so there's definitely some good ones. Some good trusted ones, and they do pay out. So I've definitely been paid out. Um, it's a great opportunity overall. Whether you're just starting out and look for capital, or if you just want to add on to what you're already doing, it just gives you access to uh, more capital than what you're working with. So it goes either way. I'm really looking for us to get under 60. I got my first profit target set up here at 57. I might take it a little bit early though because I've just been missing things today. So I'm gonna just wait to see because I think earlier we got down to 67. So I want to see if we break below that. I think we do. So if we break under 67, I think 57 should be okay. 57's right towards the top of the zone. Or is it 54? Just set up a stop at break even. I just took a little bit of profit. It's barely anything. Yeah, I definitely wish they had prop firms a long time ago when I first started out. I think it's a game changer. Absolutely. Especially if they start letting you do options. Um, I know Take Profit Trader is supposed to be working on it. On their site, they've had it on their site for the longest time that they have options and stocks coming soon. So I'm curious to see if that ever plays out. Um, we'll see what happens. Apex Trader Funding, I was watching an interview with Daryl Martin, the CEO, and this was pretty recent. He was talking about doing something where I think it's for stocks or options. I don't think it matters. Just helping people gain access to more capital, giving them, I think he said 10 times margin. I thought that was interesting. But I personally don't like dealing with margin. I like cash accounts, and that's it. I don't want the extra risk. Oh, wow, nice. Do you still dabble in Forex, or are you done with Forex and strictly futures now? I hear Forex is tough. It's tough, but when it moves, it moves. You know, Probably one of the hard things to deal with. As far as just it's focusing on just taking solid trades and not just taking trades on a whim. You know, so you're definitely not alone in that, bud. Definitely not. All right, so it looks like I got stopped out. I'm curious to see what we do with this 96 area. Let's see if we get back into the 400s. I'm entertaining taking a short at 403 with a stop over 410, so 7-point stop. Looks like that already happened. Yeah, it looks like I just missed that. Oh well. I think I'm gonna have to call it here. I think I've taken on one too many, probably a few too many. Called for it and caused some trouble. I was thinking about changing some things up though. Let me know what you guys think. I was thinking about switching this up to maybe doing some later streams, maybe not so early in the morning, maybe closer to lunchtime or maybe end of day. Because sometimes the mornings just they're great, and sometimes they're not so great, and we need just more time to let things build up, you know, and to let some trades really present themselves. Because I am seeing some missed opportunities later on in the day. And so sometimes, you know, I'll just take those trades on my own. But I thought it might be fun to stream that, you know. So would you guys want to join live later on in the day? Or do you prefer mornings as well? Well, maybe we'll give that a go. You know, we'll just try some different stuff throughout the week. Yeah, absolutely. Especially Monday mornings. Monday mornings and Friday mornings. This week's going to be weird anyways because FOMC. Curious to see what we do with this. But overall, I mean, holding this zone, we're still holding this area here. Overall, we should be heading up. Yeah, holding this, I think we should really be heading up. Maybe FOMC will give us what we need to get back up into here and shoot over this. All right. Well, yeah, I think I'm going to cut it there. Excuse me. So that is it for me. If you guys are going to stay trading, stay green. Good luck to you. And congrats again to Barry. I know he's not here, but I'm very happy that he won. And I look forward to being able to do something like that again. I'll let you guys know the next time that we're for sure going to have another giveaway. But I am already working on it. So I would like to do it again soon. All right. Well, thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate you guys being here. You have a good one.